Shopping for clothes, A1 English story. It was a warm Saturday morning. Anna woke up early. She opened the window and looked outside. The sun was shining, and the sky was blue. She smiled. Today is a good day to go shopping, she said to herself. After breakfast, Anna took her small bag, put on her comfortable shoes, and left the house. She walked to the town center. There were many shops there, shoe shops, bookstores, and clothing stores. She stopped in front of a clothing store called City Style. The window was full of colorful clothes, red dresses, white shirts, blue jeans, and yellow hats. I need a new t-shirt and maybe some jeans, Anna thought. She opened the glass door and walked in. Inside the store, soft music was playing. The lights were warm and the place smelled nice. There were shelves, mirrors, and many clothes hanging neatly. A young shop assistant smiled at her. "Hello. Can I help you?" she asked kindly. Anna smiled back. "Yes, thank you. I'm looking for a t-shirt," she said. "The t-shirts are over there, on the left side," the assistant said, pointing. Anna walked to the t-shirts. There were many options. Some were plain, some had pictures, and some had words like love, smile, or be happy. She picked up a light blue t-shirt. It felt soft. "I like this color," she said quietly. Then she saw a yellow one with small flowers on it. "This one is also cute," she thought. She held both shirts in her hands and walked to the mirror. She looked at them carefully. "I like both," she said. She looked at the size. "Medium. That's good. I will try them on." She walked to the fitting room. Inside, there was a small chair, a mirror, and a hook on the wall. She tried the blue t-shirt first. It looked nice, but the arms were a little tight. Then she tried the yellow one. "Oh, this one is better," she said. "It's soft and it fits well." She smiled at her reflection. "I'll take the yellow one." After that, Anna went to the jeans section. She didn't want skinny jeans. She wanted something simple and comfortable. She looked at many jeans, dark blue, light blue, and even black ones. Some were short, some were long. Finally, she found a pair of light blue jeans. "These look good," she thought. She checked the tag. Size 36. "I hope they fit." Back in the fitting room, she tried them on. She turned left and right, looked at her legs, and smiled. "They're perfect," she said. "Not too tight, not too loose." She left the fitting room with the yellow t-shirt and the jeans in her hands. The shop assistant saw her. "Did everything fit well?" she asked. "Yes, thank you. I will take these," Anna said. "Great. Please come to the counter." At the counter, the assistant scanned the items. "The t-shirt is $12, and the jeans are $30, she said. Anna took out her wallet. "I'll pay by card," she said. She put her card in the machine and entered her PIN. The assistant smiled and gave her a small bag with the clothes. "Here you go. Have a nice day." "You too. Thank you." Anna left the store feeling happy. She walked slowly through the street, carrying her bag. She saw people drinking coffee at small cafes, children eating ice cream, and dogs walking with their owners. "I love days like this," she thought. Later, at home, she took the t-shirt and jeans out of the bag. She tried them on again in front of the mirror. "Yes," she whispered. "These are really nice." She sat on her bed, looked at her new clothes, and smiled again. It was a good day.